Looking for ways to stay looking younger and healthier, and one great place to help you find help along those lines is Flawless Med Spa, and we are joined by the Flawless Med Spa owner, Melanie Speed. Thanks so much for being here, Melanie.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us about how men are more and more coming to get treatments like what is now called bro-tox.
Yes.
And things like that. It's more acceptable now, and more men are seeking that out.
Yes, more men realize they'd like to look younger, and Botox is a great anti-aging treatment. It's a 15-minute office visit, a few little pricks, and it stops the fine lines around the eyes, the lines across the forehead, the lines that they get between the brows. People associate it with looking angry or looking old, so it helps with basically anti-aging and just overall looking happier.
Yeah, Rocky's been telling me all show that I look very old, and so what would you suggest for someone like myself?
Well, I think you look great.
Oh, that's very nice
But if you
of you.
wanted to do something, you know, a couple of things you could do. We offer scarlet radio frequency, which is a great treatment for men. It uses microneedling, so there's a little device that puts about 17 microneedles under the surface of the skin. And while it's underneath there, it fires radio frequency, which tightens the skin from the deep dermis. So you get the micro injuries from the surface of the skin along with the radio frequency. So it causes lifting, tightening, gets rid of fine lines, wrinkles, decreases pore size, helps with uneven skin tones, just basically a great anti-aging treatment. You look like you had a light sunburn that day, and then the next day you can go on, no one will even know you're doing it, and then you see results in about 2 to 3 months.
Oh, that's great. So you don't see immediate results, but it's down the road.
Yeah.
And that can get rid of things like bags under your eyes and things like that.
Helps with lines under the eyes. It helps where, you know, as we age, we get the drooping of the face, so it helps lift and tighten the face. Just helps with the overall skin conditioning too, because as we age, we lose estrogen, we lose collagen, we lose testosterone. So it helps basically restore the skin back to what it was when we were younger.
And as Father's Day approaches, people often don't associate it with facials. That would be something you'd think of more along the lines of Mother's Day, but that's changing.
Yes, and men love it. Men love the facial treatments. They love getting Botox, being refreshed, and it's more of a health and wellness thing. They're thinking of it more than it's the old taboo of, oh, it's Botox. So we name it bro-tox. It's for men. It takes 10 or 15 minutes, quick, easy treatment, and it's a great treatment for
It's kind of relaxing too. It's like almost going to get a massage in that way.
And studies have found that people that get it are actually happier. It reduces the hormone that's excreted when people make the frowning motion, so it actually makes people happier.
Love it. All right, Melanie, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having
me. Really
me.
Appreciate it. You can learn more about the spa. It's the Flawless Med Spa in Summerlin, and check it out. Rocky.